All right, let's see. This fits a 4-inch or a 3-inch pipe, so either one we can put in. This is for the 4-inch, and then the 3-inch just slides into that. Alright, so we're using a 3-inch. We'll bring it out, 90 it up, and you'll be able to empty the sewage into that. These messed up a little bit. Yeah. Good job. Oh yeah, best pump you can buy. Well, I mean, you might have to get an extension cord. For sure. That's it. Trying to make sure. Two-inch male threaded. Put some goop on it and put her on. Alright, so I didn't record it, but you can see what I did here. Put the pipe on, we'll let it dry, we'll set the pump down in the basin, and we've got the clean out ready to roll, and we're going to dig the ditch. Alright, so we've got the ditch dug. I've got to dig a little bit with the shovel, but we got her dug out pretty good. I gotta just dig that little bit right there out with a shovel. Oh man, that's a lot to dig out with a shovel. Anyway, that's where we'll be hooking her up, so yeah. All right, folks, due to the extreme heat, my brain's not working good. All right, so what I did was I went about 6 to 8 inches up from right here. It doesn't matter where you put it. So somewhere from here to the bottom of your check valve, you've got to put a hole. And as you can see, we put one in right here. It's at least 1/8 of an inch, 3/16 hole, and that is to let the liquid out that will be sitting in here once this check valve goes into operation. It'll keep everything, that flap will shoot up, let everything flow upwards, and then when the basin is empty, that flap will come down, sewage will stop, and the sewage that is in between here and here, well, just the liquid will shoot out the hole. Anyway, sorry about that, but yeah, so super simple. You can see we just used a Phillips head. Yeah, and tightened her down, slipped them on there and tightened her down. Anyway, all right, let's redo it all. All right, so back in the old hole we go. All right, so make sure no rocks are in there. We've already done that. We're going to lower this back down in there. And that's it. We've got our hole in. We're supposed to be. We've got our flap in. Our check valve flapper, Billy Whopper, the goozy of boot juice. Lord, sweet Lord. All right. All right, so you want to make sure that your cord is not messing with your float. Got to look down there and make sure of that, or else you'll be in trouble, folks. Oh, show. All right, first things first. 2-inch grommet. Fits in good. Again, this has a split in it. See it? It'll just go right over into it like so. Well, anywho, like so. Slide her down, put her in, pull her up, make sure she's good, not wrapped around anything. What's next, buddy? All right, so we'll put this in. Is that? Oh, we're gonna wait on this. Are we? Yeah, we're gonna cut.
like Facebook and YouTube.
How you doing?
Doing all right.
Good.
So your inspection went okay?
Oh yeah. Yeah. We've never found electrical
About got it now.
All right, we got her hooked up, checked out, all tested, doing good. So he'll hook his camper up to this. That goes in, as you've seen earlier. This is just a vent. We'll put a cap over it, a Studer vent cap on it, and this is it. We let it run for about 15 minutes and it does super good. The phone got too hot, so I couldn't record putting in this 4x4x2 Y. So this goes right into the septic tank. Boom. That's the septic tank. The little black thing there. Part of the septic tank, but that's it. We put this in here. It's not glued. They'll simply pull this off, dig this out, pull this off, and hook onto the house when that time comes. That's it, folks. They are set up. We got a 200 amp RV pole permanent. 200 amp permanent RV pole. So it's more than they'll ever use. Anyway, that's it.